Welcome to my channel. Linksys Atlas 6 Dual Band Mesh WiFi 6 System MX2001. Take all components out of the box, including the nodes, power adapters, and Ethernet cable. Ensure everything is included before starting. Download the Linksys app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store on your smartphone. This app will guide you through the setup process. Open the app and either create a new account or log in if you already have one. You'll need this account to manage your network settings. Connect one of the nodes to your modem using the Ethernet cable provided. Plug in the power adapter and turn on the node. Wait until the light starts blinking. In the Linksys app, tap Set up a new Wi-Fi network and follow the on-screen instructions. Select the Linksys Atlas 6 MX2001 from the list. The app will prompt you to create a Wi-Fi network name, SSID, and password. Choose something unique and secure. Go to your phone's Wi-Fi settings and connect to the new Wi-Fi network you just created. This allows the app to communicate directly with the router. If you have multiple nodes, place them in different areas of your home for optimal coverage. Plug them in, and the app will help you connect and position them properly. The app will automatically test the signal strength of each node. Adjust the placement if needed to ensure strong and consistent coverage throughout your home. Complete the setup process, and the app may prompt you to update the firmware for the latest features and security updates. Thank you for watching.